Neuro Asphalt Paving NYC is a paving materials supplier and contractor that specializes in asphalt, concrete, and other paving materials.
Neuro Asphalt Paving NYC is a company that specializes in asphalt paving, concrete paving, and asphalt maintenance. Neuro Asphalt Paving NYC is a family-owned and operated paving contractor. They are licensed, bonded, and insured to provide high-quality workmanship at affordable prices. They offer free estimates for their services. Connect with New York Asphalt Paving Contractor now 315-216-0135.